Gold is moving higher. Yesterday the price has formed a bullish candle. We can see that at the resistance level 3351.42, almost making above, closing today above this area of resistance and also this supply zone. It's very close to it, and we can see the price is continuing to rise in value also today. What we can expect today we will see, but let's take a look at what has happened yesterday. Since yesterday we can see the price was trying to move higher, and then the price dropped down because we can see a strong selling pressure here after the price was trying to move higher above this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance level at 3351.42. The price returned back down, but the price could not go below this area of support, which means the bull strength is much stronger than it is a selling pressure that is pushing the price right here. After that, we can see the prices reach this area of support, trying to make a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. Could not make that happen. This demand zone where the buy side waiting is stronger, and after that we can see in the evening the price continued to rise in value. A pretty strong bullish candle that has reached again the resistance level, a daily resistance, and also making a bullish breakout above that area. After that, we can see today the price is continuing to rise in value, where the next target is 3386.64, a resistance level. We can see that on the chart. On the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved. Yesterday, the price started in the morning making a bullish breakout above 3340.57, targeting the next resistance level, but could not make that happen. The price returned back down. This area, a supply zone around this area of resistance, pushed the price down, did not allow the price to reach this area. Here I was expecting that the price will reach this area. I have shared this information with the traders inside the premium analysis that the target would be around this area of supply zone, but then the price returned back down. We can see that going all the way back to the first support level at 3333.30, and after that we can see the price bounced, trying to move further up. It was volatile that 1 hour, we can see that on the market, and then returning back down again, going below this area of support, this 4-hour time frame, and then reaching 3317.59. We can see that with the wick, then returning back up. This bullish candle that has been formed on the 1-hour time frame around 9 o'clock in the evening, we can see that it has covered most of these candles during the day, which has shown a significant move on the market, a bullish move. After that, the price continued to rise in value, and yesterday I have also shared this information with the traders in the evening. This bullish breakout with the target right here, the resistance level, and this we can see after the price has opened. It has opened with a small gap. The price continued to rise in value, and we can see where the price is currently heading. The price is trying to move to the higher price levels, and it is heading towards, we can see that 3386.64. This is visible on the 4-hour time frame, which is the next resistance level for the price. So this is something that I am expecting that the price will reach today, and we'll see what happens around this area of resistance. Will the price continue to rise in value, or it will bounce back down? Just for information, we can see in the past the price when it has reached this area of resistance, the price formed this bearish engulfing candle moving down. Then the price again, when it has reached this area of resistance, formed a bullish breakout, but at the next resistance level, very close to it, a supply zone, the price returned back down, which means this is the area where the sellers are waiting, and also all these bulls that have entered into the market, they will exit their trades here. So it will be some kind of a retrace back down, so we'll see also what happens around this area here. If we see again the same scenario like in this example, forming a bearish engulfing candle or forming a bearish pin bar, this will also suggest further decline in value, where the next support will be very important, and also it will be a target for that move. On the daily time frame, we can see how the price is behaving. It is an area here that is preventing the price from moving to the higher price levels. So this is the resistance currently around 3385, which is on the 4-hour time frame 3386.64, much more precisely. So on the daily time frame, we can see this is some kind of a resistance that needs to be broken on the daily time frame. So if we see a candle today on the daily time frame closing above, this will be a bullish breakout, targeting again the next resistance level, which will be 3430.98. So let's see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, and especially on the 4-hour time frame, which is currently the target. So this is the target for today, and after that we will see how the price is behaving around this area of resistance. Feel free also to check the premium analysis, the link will be below in the description, so you can also receive an update from my side when the breakout happens, with the stop loss, with the take profit level, and also the entry level where the price could go. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.